This is a continuation of my series on electromagnetism. In this video, I will be looking at the magnetization or BH curve. You can find this topic in my course entitled Electrical Three-Phase Power Transformer Fundamentals. You can access this and my other courses in my Stan Store at this web address. Anchor has some powerful deals that seem to be just too good to be true. Simply go to this web address and you will see and be able to take advantage of Anchor's too good to be true deals. Looking back at a coil of wire in air or a vacuum with current flowing in it, the current produces an MMF or a field intensity that is directly proportional to the current, which produces a magnetic field which, measured over an area, is known as magnetic flux density. If we were to plot this flux density as the current or field intensity increases, it would be linear or a straight line. This is known as a magnetization curve or a BH curve, even though it's not much of a curve, but the reason we call it a curve will be evident when we see the next few slides. Now, if that coil of wire is wrapped around a ring of magnetic material, the current flowing in that coil also produces an MMF or field intensity that is greatly enhanced due to the properties of the material and will also increase with the current. Again, just as in the coil of wire in air, that current produces a magnetic field which, measured over an area, is known as flux density. However, this time, if we were to plot this flux density as the current or field intensity increases, it would not entirely be linear, but would curve and start to flatten at some point, depending on the type of material that it is inside the coil. This flattening of the curve is known as saturation and is characteristic of what happens in transformers that are wound on a magnetic material. Most transformers are designed to operate in the linear region of the BH curve, but at times they are pushed into the nonlinear regions of the curve, which could produce and be problems that we'd have to deal with, and we'll see those a little bit later. This video is part of my Electrical Technical Information series. Be sure and stay tuned, as I will also from time to time be reviewing electrical products that, in my opinion, are worthy of paying attention to. This address will give you access to the supplier of aforementioned products and is also the connection to obtain a free copy of my 50-page electrical power crib sheets.